Let's get ready to draw the tech-savvy and energetic Mr. Fun computer from the Sprunki mod of Incredibox. Grab your pencils and let's bring this funky character to life. Mr. Fun Computer is a digital dynamo that loves pumping out beats with flashing lights and electrifying energy. With his cool monitor face and high-tech vibes, Mr. Fun Computer brings life to any jam session. Mr. Fun Computer creates beats with digital sound effects, like clicks, flips, and whirs. If you could program Mr. Fun Computer, what kind of beats would you want him to make? His computer screen displays pixelated expressions that change with the beat. What face should Mr. Fun Computer show on his screen right now? Happy, silly, or surprised? His musical style includes memes, video game sounds, and robotic rhythms. Do you think Mr. Fun Computer would play video game music or create his own tunes? He has built-in wires that look like glowing dance moves when he grooves. Can you imagine Mr. Fun Computer teaching you a new dance move? Great job drawing Mr. Fun Computer! Now it's time to add some color magic. Grab your markers or crayons and let's make him shine on the dance floor. Mr. Fun Computer loves glowing neon colors that shine brightest during his solos. He's the ultimate tech buddy, helping all his mod friends stay in sync. If Mr. Fun Computer had a best friend, what kind of gadget would they be? A phone, a speaker, or something else? What nickname would you give Mr. Fun Computer? Maybe DJ Circuit or Pixel Pete? Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. His screen changes color depending on the vibe of the music. What type of music do you think he likes best? Techno, hip-hop, or pop? His sound is crystal clear, with booming bass and snappy snares. He has a fun mode where he spins like a top while jamming. If you had a fun computer like him, how would you use it to make the world a better place? Our Mr. Fun computer masterpiece is all done. Isn't he just electric? Show our drawing and tell them all about his cool moves. Keep practicing, and remember to stay creative and have fun. See you next time for more awesome art adventures.